All right. So, what happens when you completed your SLA? What's the next step? I'm Dan from Everyday Web, and I'm going to show you quickly our onboarding form. In some cases, you may not have to complete this. If we spoke in one on one and we have maybe an existing website, you may not have to complete your onboarding form. But for most cases, I definitely recommend going through this quick form. It takes about 10 minutes or so. Make sure you have some links gathered, like your social media links and other things like that, and a quick, blurb about your business. But let's dive right into it. So, first things first, let's click start and you enter a couple of information about yourself. Here's info here, auto filled. So the name of my business, let's just say Dan's Donuts. What describes you best? I've never had a website for this business, or I have a website, but I need a new one. Let's say you're A and describe your business. Dan's Donuts is a unique donut shop that specializes in vegan donuts. We're the only one of our kind in Philadelphia. So please try to be as descriptive as possible about your business. The more you write, the merrier. You don't have to write a short story, but if you can at least answer some of these questions up here, like what does your business do? Why do you start your business? What does your business do? What makes it special, unique? What do you want people to know about your business? The reason being that can really help us with creating the copywriting for your website and really help you stand out, make sure it looks professional, and it also gives us an idea of what keywords we can help you rank for on Google so that your website's SEO friendly. Next, you can type in your business hours. So let's say I'm a small donut shop, only open from Wednesday to Saturday from 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. Closed every other day or something like that. You can always copy and paste your Google Business Profile hours or write it out. Speaking of the Google Business Profile, you can say, do you have a Google Business Profile? Yes or no. This is something that's included in our enhanced website package. So if you don't have one, great. We can definitely build one for you. If you do have one, we can also help you optimize that for customer inquiries and that sort of thing. What type of business are you? I'm a brand new business. I'm a brick and mortar business rather. What industry is Everyday Web LLC in? This is where we can ask more info on that. And that's actually pulling the name from my form earlier, so you can ignore that. But let's just say I was in a restaurant business. Are you working with anyone else on this? Now, this is important because let's say you have a co-founder, a business partner, or even a previous web designer or like a copywriter, anyone you want involved in this process. It's important to get this part done now. So for just example purposes, I'll type in my co-founder's email. Mario, he is my web designer. Do you have a domain name? Domain name can be something like everydayweb.co, google.com. Basically, it's your address on the internet. And let's just say you said no. And then you can list out a few different domain names options that you might like. This is something that's also included in every single website package that we offer. Let us know. Let's say I want Dan's Donuts Philly.com. If that's taken, I'll say Dan's Donuts.com and so on and so forth. Remember that not every domain name is available. So, type in a few things and we'll get you the best one that we can. What type of website, what style of website do you want? This is where you can tell us, what type of themes you want. So let's just say I wanted something colorful. I'd click that. Do you have a logo? I'll say yes. Then you can upload your logo here. What social media platforms are you on? You can choose as many as you like. So right now I'm on Instagram, Facebook, say LinkedIn, actually, yeah, say TikTok rather. Say okay. And this is where you add your info. Okay, okay, okay. If you don't have any one of these, feel free to skip it. Or you can always give this to us over email, but I highly recommend doing this on the form because It helps us get everything done faster. So that way your website will be launched even faster as well. So you can add these links here and we'll have those. And let's just say you use a couple tools to manage your business. Let's say Dan's Donuts, uses MailChimp to keep in contact with customers after they, join. They're also on DoorDash, Uber Eats, and Grubhub, so like more people can find them. You can click that. That way we know, how to connect and what tools to connect, and we'll help you out with that as we go. Here's some more space where you can write about any other tools you're using to run your business. Chances are we can probably connect it to your website. So, for example, let's just say my POS system was Clover. I will type in Clover, and then we can also help you connect that. Is there any special functionality you want on your site? So, for example, if you had anything here like memberships, a learning management system, if you're a real estate company, they use like IDX tools for property search. We can also do that. We can type in other and type in a tool that wasn't listed there. But let's just say we can skip this. Anything else we want to know about your site? This is basically your space to tell us anything that you want about your website that we may have not covered. So, for example, if you have like a long history, or if you used to be another website or another business, anything and everything can be here. Or you can even ask us this question here: Do you have any content or copy ready already? So this helps us out with creating copy for your website as well. Blog posts, brochures, anything like that will help us out. I'll say no for now. And so here's where I can kind of select a few. And then if there's anything else we missed, let's say like a PDF, a brochure, something like that, you could add that here as well. And if you need any help with anything else, we can either help you out or potentially point you in the right direction. So let's just say nothing there, submit. And that's that. That's how you complete your onboarding form. And then we'll take all that info. At this point in the process, you've already selected a theme. So we'll take that theme, we'll take this info, and we'll have almost everything, if not everything, ready for you, ready to go. So thank you so much. Let us know if you have any questions. Reach out to me directly or email help@everydayweb.co, and we'll be happy to help you. Thank you so much. We're excited for you to launch your website. Thanks.